In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a newsletter subscription system in HubSpot that is strategic, compliant, and user-friendly. Let's get started by tackling everything step by step for clarity and ease of understanding. First, let's talk about defining your subscription types. Within your HubSpot account, you're going to want to begin by clicking on the settings icon. From there, navigate to Marketing, then Email, and select Subscription Types. This is where you lay the groundwork for how your subscribers will engage with your content. Click on Create Subscription Type to get started. It's important to give this a clear and descriptive name. Something straightforward like monthly newsletter would do nicely. Accompany this with a short description that helps subscribers understand exactly what they are signing up for. If you have any data privacy settings enabled, make sure you select a purpose and method of communication to provide clarity on both why and how you'll be reaching out to your subscribers. This is more than just a formality. It's about building trust and transparency right from the start. Take a moment to preview how these settings will appear in subscriber preferences, ensuring that everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied, hit Save. Remember, you can always reorder your subscription types to highlight their importance or follow a logical sequence. Next, it's time to create the subscription form. If you are setting up a system for a blog-style newsletter, HubSpot takes a bit of the load off your shoulders by automatically generating a blog subscription email type as soon as you configure one. You have the freedom to customize the frequency, whether that's instant, daily, weekly, or monthly, and also design the email templates by heading over to the Subscriptions tab under Website, Blog, then Subscriptions. If, however, you're aiming for a more personalized approach using a custom form, go to Marketing, Forms, then Create Form. Essential fields to include would be email and name, alongside a clearly labeled subscription checkbox that aligns with the type of subscription you're offering. Once you've set this up, publish the form and either embed it on your site or spread the word with a shareable link. Finally, let's bring it all together by automating a welcome email workflow. Back in HubSpot, navigate to Automations, then Workflows, and Create Workflow. Choose a contact-based, from-scratch workflow. Set the entry trigger to be a form submission, selecting your specific newsletter form as the trigger. Then, add actions to send out a welcome email, or perhaps even kickstart a short nurture sequence. This is a golden opportunity to make each subscriber feel personally welcomed. Consider using personalization tokens or smart content to tailor these emails according to subscriber information or interests. And that's it. With these steps, you'll have a newsletter subscription system in place that's not only strategic and compliant, but also user-friendly and efficient. Happy emailing.